When you're hanging out with friends or family, you might end up being tagged in posts on other people's Instagram stories. Want to easily share these same moments on your own Instagram story? There's a new feature that lets you do just that. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to repost Instagram stories you're tagged in. I'll be demonstrating on an iPhone, but this works the same on Android as well. Now let's get started. When one of your friends tags you in an Instagram story post, you'll be notified with a message in your Instagram direct message conversation with that person. Tap the notification in the top right corner. Then select the conversation with the friend who tagged you. You should see the post appear minimized in your conversation. You can tap the image preview to view the story post you've been tagged in. To repost it to your own Instagram story, tap Add this to your story. You'll see the post come up on a story editing screen. Use 2 fingers to resize or rotate the image, or use 1 to drag it wherever you want it to appear in your post. Swipe to add a filter, or spice it up with your own stickers and text. When you're done, tap Your Story at the bottom of your screen to post it. That's all it takes to repost an Instagram story you're tagged in. Keep in mind that this feature only works if both you and your friend have public Instagram accounts. This does not work with private accounts. Also, you can only repost stories you've been tagged in before they're automatically deleted, since stories only last for 24 hours. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.